Hey guys, welcome back. Let's learn something new from one of the popular book Mindset which is related to psychology of success. The passion for stretching yourself and sticking to it even when it is not going well is the hallmark of the growth mindset. The fixed mindset makes you concerned with how you will be judged. The growth mindset makes you concerned with improving. People in a growth mindset don't just seek challenge, they thrive on it. For people with growth mindset, it is not about immediate perfection. It's about learning something over time, confronting a challenge and making progress. People with the growth mindset know that it takes time for potential to flower. Becoming is better than being. The fixed mindset does not allow people the luxury of becoming. They have to already be. Not only were the children with growth mindset not discouraged by failure, they didn't even think they were failing. They thought they were learning. Robert Sternberg, the present day guru of intelligence, writes that the major factor in which people achieve expertise is not some fixed prior ability but purposeful engagement. Believing that your qualities are carved in stone, the fixed mindset creates an urgency to prove yourself over and over. For 20 years, my research has shown that the view you adopt for yourself profoundly affects the way you lead your life. Why waste time providing over and over how great you are when you could be getting better? Why hide deficiency instead of overcoming them? People with the growth mindset, however, believe something very different. For them, even geniuses have to work hard for their achievements. Those with the growth mindset found setbacks motivating, they are informative, they are wake up call.